CCC, MDC, the splits, the discount, konke khona lokho kuyabe kusenzakala. How do you think ukuthi, how does that affect you njengakathesi bekule CCC ngesikhathi ngena labo Nelson Chamisa, now he's moved on to something else. How does that affect you as umuntu or represent abantu under that ticket, and how does it affect the people that brought you onto that space? Kuma socials ngale kuthiwa ngoChief Bear. Manje indlovukazi yakoDakabela sizayithola nini? Mawugogo efike ebuza ukuthi imali nga.
Kambona contract engiyisayina mina.
Ithini contract?
I-contract usayine 1%.
1% iya. Ukuthi wena uzothola 1%. Kuthiwa wena abafazi abathandi uyabalwisa kakhulu ku social media, is that true? Salbanani, igama ngisisa senkosini intombi yaseMambala. Welcome to Ama Catch Ups, the podcast that proves you never really lose touch, from boardrooms to backyards to the streets, one conversation at a time.